marshals already.
You guys have
and the
talent.
drivers are ready. It's pro scale 17.5A1. We're going racing in less than 5. Off and running. Trouble for the pink car. He's got no gears. Brian out in front, pulling up the start finish line. We are clear.
It's okay, we'll see.
Brian out in front, top of the second spot. 2-car breakaway down the back stretch. As we're getting ready for F1, race number 8, we're getting ready for F1, A1. Brian and Todd Mason are in 2, followed by Scott Barnes in 3rd, Jimmy Allen 4th, and Rick Yoder to round out the top 5.
Ian, we're lining up like Rich.
Bodine 13 flat, Mason 13-1.
Hey,
Lead battle off the end of the straightaway.
participation.
Got a battle for 4th, Rick Yoder, Yam, Vernali, and Nelson.
We're lining up like Rich.
Scott Barnes still maintaining that 3rd spot in the orange and blue down off the end of the straight. Brian Bodine and Scott Barnes in there by 3.1 now.
Rich, you're at us.
Pink one's out.
Then George behind you.
That big car is out as things toasted. Bodine, Barnes, and Mason are top 3, followed by Yam and Vernali. Rounding out the top 5, James Nelson, Rick Yoder, Brandon Moody. James Nelson having an issue. He's back in action down the back stretch. James, you'll have 2nd place coming up on the next. Bodine still out in front in the orange and white over on the right-hand side, now back in through the middle. Barnes up into the 2 spot in that orange and blue, and Todd Mason rounding out the top 3. In blue and pink. Yeah, and Vernali rounding out the top 5. 2:45 then, 5:15 left to go.
So look at your
Three down and 5 to go. That 3 down, 5 to go. Please do not leave your turn marshal spot in the middle of the race, guys. That is unacceptable. We got to get a marshal out into the middle. Josh, can you cover the middle? Guy just totally abandoned his spots. Nelson, come and see me when you have a minute, please. 3:45 in, 4:15 left to go. 3:45 in, 4:15 left to go. Scott Barnes, Brian Bodine, and Mason are top 3. 4 down and 4 to go. Got 4 down, 4 to go. Watch in the middle. And we're clear. Scott Barnes, 8/10 out in front of Brian Bodine. We got a little bit of a lead out and a shuffle here as our top 3 down the backstretch. Barnes, Mason, and Bodine now all right there. So Brian, who's been dominating this class, not used to being in the 3rd spot scrambling right now, is our new race leader in the blue and orange down the backstretch. Barnes, Mason, Bodine. 1, 2, and 3 back in through the center of the course. Ooh, watching the start finish line, time with hard crack. 3:15 left to go, man. 3:15 left.
They've got a lot of work over it.
Yamden fourth. And Renali to round out the top 5.
You will fade them.
Yoder, Nelson, and Moody. 5 down, 3 to go.
Well, I think it's only soft.
Scott Barnes out in front by 1.1 over Todd Mason with Medina in the third spot. This is 6 tenths behind him. Top 3 all through the middle again. Orange and blue versus the blue and pink. Here comes Todd. Oh man, Bodine having a mistake after the loop there. That's going to make it a 2-car battle. Coming up on a little bit of traffic. We're coming up on Gambin for Nolly.
Got it pretty good.
Race lead battle coming through, guys. Thank you.
Yeah.
Scott Barnes, Todd Mason, and Bodine. 2 minutes left.
Larry, kick the carpet. Oh, wait. Yeah.
All right, Scott Barnes and Todd Mason
I just
separated
saw
by
you.
2 tenths the last time. Barnes, that lead battle continues through the center of the course.
You could.
And across the start finish line, Barnes and Mason, 9 tenths. All right, good job, Rick. Thanks. 1 minute and 20 seconds left to go. Got 1:20 left on the timer here for Scott Barnes. Scott down the backstretch in that blue and orange. He's 7th place driver Todd Mason in the blue and pink right there with him. And Brian Bodine in the third spot. Our early racing in this one. In orange and white.
So nice.
1 minute left.
So nice.
Your dad rolled it, and here comes Brian.
Straightaway, go high. Caution on the straightaway, go high. And we're clear. 35 seconds left to go again. 35 left.
All right, the order's been
That's Brian
restored.
Bodine back out into the lead now. The orange and white. Todd Mason in second in the pink. And it looks like Scott Barnes down to third in the orange and blue.
Hang on, Brian, that was a gift.
Brian Bodine back into the lead position here with 1.6 second advantage over Todd Mason. 10 seconds left to go. Battle for second here. Todd and Scott gonna come down to the wire.
Ah!
Pull it.
Pull it.
And then pinning here became a lane. It's gonna be a walk-off third for Todd though. Wow. Yeah, white flag is out. Brian, you go with the win. Scott, you go with seconds. Everybody is done. Todd Mason, you're done with the walk-off third. Crazy, crazy. Brian Bodine taking the win on the white and the orange. Scott Barnes second in blue and orange to the Todd Mason third. Jim and Renali to round out the top 5.